Welcome. This is a short presentation to refresh what we call the kit for meditation, the kit of crystal. We have introduced these crystal previously in different courses, the Pro Consciousness meditation, also Taoist medicine, consciousness acupuncture, and also we use them on Noosphere to the reset of the biofield. And we have a newcomer, so I'd like to explain why this new crystal will replace another one that we were using previously. Why are we using crystal either for the Pro Consciousness acupuncture or for the Pro Consciousness meditation? They have particular property, and this has been reviewed also in many of our class. They carry what we call the piezoelectric effect. And as another reminder, the pineal also has a piezoelectric property. And the lattice structure, and is another quality of the crystal. It reproduces, or it is a good tool to imprint intention, and also a carrier of this biofield energy. So, and we use this, this one, the wand, for meditation, as we have shown previously. We pointed the pineal, and then because this, this geometric lattice structure and the piezoelectric effect, we can enhance meditation. I do meditation for 45 years. Can we practice without with crystal? Yes, we can. Can we enhance the result and deepen our meditation? This is what we explain in our course, and I assure you this is a very powerful technology. And then when you hold also the crystal, you have to understand that in some way you take advantage of this energy, that could come from your arm. And this is in acupuncture, we talk about the small circulation, the large circulation. So in other words, even people, when they practice hands healings or Reiki, they use hands, to carry or transmit energy. So in other words, when you meditate, you point the crystal, you take advantage of this energetic circulation. And then as well, we have introduced other, like the pendant, that is also programmed to in some way create like an interconnection with all the other participants. By example, in the Project Noosphere, when we meditate together, if we have like, something that is, grounding this intentionality, is also it's another tool. And also we add this other crystal, and let me explain you how we were using this previously. Is a small diamond crystal. On this side you have the imprint of the flower of life, and flower of life is pretty known. Nassim Haramein talk a lot about it. It carry on the imprint of a kind of a in the field of perfect symmetry, perfect geometry. That can be also taking advantage, when we meditate or we project intention. Dr. Emoto has proved many times, or demonstrated every time, the capacity to even restructure water with intention. So, and then carry this, using this tool, enhance in some way the biofield, deep the meditation, and in the same way carry this kind of perfect blueprint that can reorganize your own biofield. So, and now what the newcomer is this one, and I have worked with this diamond crystal for many years, and have and us little by little I try all the time to experience a new crystal. This one is a black tourmaline. And this one has even a little bit more property, because the black tourmaline is also a crystal stone that ground your physical energy, create a protective field against negative energy, 5G EMF. So it's very popular today for people that are wearing pendant, because we are bombarded continuously by EMF and cell phone energy, and of course the, the next one coming is the 5G. And you have also an organ field. This is on this side, and organ field is another, in some way, enhance, you know, the energy field, this spiral, and we have seen in many courses, in many of our courses, you know, the bitorus field. So in other words, it gives like a direction to the energy, and of course, again, on this side, I don't know if you can see very well, is the flower of life. So you combine flower of life, organ field, black tourmaline. I thought that was a bit more advantage for this one. So this one will replace the previous diamond crystal. And it's when we use it, so we use it again in different situations. When you do consciousness acupuncture, and this is what we teach, what we call the Omega technique, and with a crystal. And this is very powerful. You know, the access of needle is not that many popular today, very popular, and we teach in the course, and that opened the practice training meridian acupuncture point to everybody. So in other words, instead to point an acupuncture and with a needle, we use a crystal, and again, this crystal, you know, can carry energy, has a piezoelectric effect, specific lattice geometry that, you know, give more intensity to the intention of rebalancing the biofield. And then this creates a polarity. So in other words, when in one hand, and of course you put on the face of the palm the organ field, and with the other one you will do the Omega technique. And I refer you back to the course. It's like you breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, creating this kind of movement in the spiral, out, in some way matching what called the Nassim the biotorus. So, and then when you go in, it's like you're going toward the point of singularity. You go out, it's like the parasympathetic mode, and this is also very explained in our course. So, and then we will have in the reset of the biofield, we use the crystal. You know, it's I invite you to go on the Noosphere, to the meditation, the reset of biofield, and you know, there is specific point that, you know, are done with, you know, a geometry, color and sound. It's very sophisticated. So in other words, you can also use the wand and this other crystal, and as well, if you wear the pendant, you know, you create this connection, you know, interconnection with the other meditator or participant to the Noosphere meditation. So, and it's not done. So in other words, when I meditate, and I practice this, okay, I use all the time, every day, I use this, I use the wand, and I energize my water. This is the other, and we talked previously in other course what we call the Chi Vibe. This is an app that you can download, and there is many functions. You can, you know, enhance different frequency for sleeping, relax, enhance your clarity. But one specific is to charge the water. So, so at the beginning of the meditation, I will put the water on the cell phone, iPhone, and I will charge the water. It's kind of a way to stop the meditation. You know, it's like it's create a vibration, and also you can add some homeopathic drops. We have also explained this in our the course, and this homeopathics, you know, using the vital force technology with imprint of homeopathics is another harmonizer of the biofield, because the biofield, you know, can be tuned first, you know, with this blueprint we call the flower of life, but there is also other layers of information, so it's very subtle. So this is for that. It also enhances the mind, the concentration, the calmness. So, and then you may do like 5 drops as well as you charge the water. And then, I start the meditation, I charge, and then I let go. It's the background of the music, I continue the meditation, and at some moment later on, I will in some way charge with the intention the water. Dr. Emoto has proven this many times, and others. Lynn McTaggart also has done experiment. If you put your hands or you use a crystal to in some way energize your water, you carry on this energy, and then at some moment of the meditation I will drink the water. Maybe you may wait at the end or during, as you wish. And we are water, as 70%. And I just seen the movie The Dune, and they were talking about the water, bless your water. So, and it's very meaningful. Think about it. If you drink a water that has been energized, reharmonized, and then it's also in some way grounding the effect of your meditation and intention. So I don't want to be too long here. So this meditation kit, again, can be used to do consciousness acupuncture, pro-consciousness meditation, and also participating to the Noosphere, and then the Pendant, and this tourmaline with organ field and flower of life are combined together. This is you can visit the website on the projectnoosphere.com. I like to see this kit, how you can have it. But if you sign for the meditation, you get all these kits free. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoy your meditation, all the benefit, and also the bliss that come with it when you start to kind of deepen, in this template within. And not only that, at the same time, when you meditate, you want to also, transmit this, communicate this with the other participant. So I'm thank you everybody that participate every day to the Project Noosphere. Every day we have 1,000 of people participating, in this 24-hour cycle. So I'm not anymore alone now when I meditate in the morning. Thank you so much, everybody.